Want to write scripts that actually keep viewers watching until the end? Most creators think they need fancy editing or viral trends, but the real secret lies in understanding one simple psychological principle that drives human attention. Today, I'm breaking down how TubeMagic AI can help you master this art and create scripts that hook viewers from the very first word. The foundation of every killer script starts with expectations versus reality. When you understand this core concept, everything else becomes easier. Viewers click on your video with certain expectations based on your title and thumbnail. Your job is to meet those expectations immediately, then exceed them throughout the entire video. This creates what psychologists call a positive surprise loop that keeps people engaged. Here's where most creators fail. They spend hours writing scripts without a clear framework, hoping something will stick. But successful creators use a proven 5-step process that works every single time. First comes packaging, where you nail down your idea, title, and thumbnail concept. This isn't just brainstorming, it's strategic positioning that sets up everything that follows. Your title creates the initial expectation, so it must be established before you write a single word of your script. The thumbnail can be rough, but your title needs to be locked in. This gives you the target you're aiming for with your opening lines. Remember, viewers are scrolling at lightning speed, and you have maybe 3 seconds to prove this video is worth their time. Step 2 is outlining, and this might surprise you. Most people think you start with the intro, but smart creators outline their main points first. Why? Because anyone can learn to write a compelling intro once they know the formula. The real magic happens in the body of your video. That's where you either deliver something truly valuable or lose your audience forever. Your outline should pass the uniqueness test. If your points are just rehashing common knowledge, viewers will bounce immediately. They came for something new, something different, something better than what they already know. Spend time researching until you find angles and insights that haven't been covered to death. Now comes the intro, and this is where TubeMagic AI really shines. The platform helps you implement a proven hook structure that works across all content types. Start with immediate context so viewers know they're in the right place. Then establish common ground by acknowledging what they probably already believe about the topic. The magic happens with your contrarian approach. After confirming their existing beliefs, you present a different perspective that challenges conventional wisdom. This creates curiosity and makes them lean in to hear more. Finally, you establish credibility by showing why they should trust your approach and give them a clear roadmap of what's coming. The body of your script follows strategic ordering principles. Here's something counterintuitive. Don't lead with your absolute best point. Start with your second best insight, then deliver your strongest material second. This creates an ascending value pattern that keeps viewers engaged. When the second point is even better than the first, their brains recognize a positive trend and they stick around expecting more. Each point in your body should follow the value loop structure. Provide context to explain what you're talking about, give practical application they can use immediately, and frame why this matters in the bigger picture. This 3-part approach matches how our brains naturally process information, making your content easier to follow and remember. Transition between points using rehooks, mini curiosity loops that bridge one section to the next. Something like, that technique is powerful, but if you don't combine it with this next strategy, you'll miss the real opportunity. This keeps attention peaks consistent throughout your video. Your outro isn't an afterthought, it's your final chance to create lasting impact. Summarize the value you delivered and remind viewers how reality exceeded their expectations. This is where likes, comments, and shares happen, when people feel genuinely satisfied with the experience you created. The beauty of using TubeMagic AI for this process is how it streamlines everything we just covered. Instead of spending hours organizing your thoughts and structuring your script manually, the AI applies these psychological principles automatically. You input your topic and target audience, and it generates a complete script framework following proven viral patterns. This isn't about replacing creativity. It's about giving your creativity a solid foundation to build on. The AI handles the structural elements that make content engaging while you focus on your unique insights and personality. It's like having an experienced script coach guiding every decision. Remember, winning on social media comes down to hacking human psychology, not chasing trends or copying other creators. When you understand why certain scripts work and have tools like TubeMagic AI to implement that knowledge consistently, creating engaging content becomes a repeatable system rather than a lucky accident. The creators who go viral repeatedly aren't just talented, they're strategic. They understand that every line of their script serves a purpose. Every transition builds momentum, and every element works together to create an experience viewers can't resist. Now you have the framework and tools to join their ranks.